Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a while. I'm sorry, but yeah, life hasn't been normal, as I'm sure you all have noticed. I hope you're all doing okay in the pandemic. But yeah, I'm just here today to chat. I've got a cozy jumper on, a little coffee. Gonna just update you guys, show you a few new travel gear bits that I've got, and yeah, let's just address the elephant in the room, the rebranding of my channel and everything, my blog. Yeah, so I'm changing my name to Minimal Traveller. Why? Because I kind of wanted my channel to become a bit more niche and really focus on one thing and hone in on that and kind of like just be the go-to place for minimal travel tips. I know there's a few different channels out there at the moment that kind of have like the minimal travel vibe, but there's no like channel that's like 100% like, I don't know, I mean there's like Josh Fenn, but I don't know. Anyways, so that is kind of the new direction of my channel. It's kind of been always going in that direction, but now it's really like honed in on the path. And yeah, so I will leave all my new links down below, and lots of exciting new content happening. So along those lines as well, I'm starting a Patreon. I would love to have your support over on there. It should be all launching and everything by September 1st. I might launch the page before September 1st, but I want to like post my first video on there on September 1st. But basically I want to offer you guys some more insider exclusives and kind of like my best advice for travel and like the most essential tools that you need for minimal travel over on there. So hit that up. If it's live now, I'll link it down below. If it's not, stay tuned on my Instagram or on here for any updates. Okay, so there are a few bits of travel gear that I got recently. They're not actually new. None of them are new products on the market by any means, but they're new for me and I'm very excited to get to use them eventually when I can travel again and do more of that stuff. But otherwise these are going to be my new essentials. So let's start just from the top. I got this North Face travel canister toiletry bag. It's cylindrical, as you can see, and it's got a nice little North Face logo there. It's like canvasy on the bottom, and then this like waterproof kind of material on the rest of it, and it has these little lash points, which I don't really know what you would use them for. Has two handles on each end. Yeah, same on the other side, and then it opens up like a big giant mouth like this, with a couple of pockets inside, not that much going on. There's just one pocket here with a couple of elastic loops, and then one pocket up here. It also has a hook at the top like this, which is obviously great for hanging, and it has a mirror that you can velcro on there as well. But yeah, I basically wanted to switch from my old toiletry bag to this one, or to one like this, that could both stand on its own and be hung up, because the old toiletry bag I had, even though it was super great in terms of compartmentalization, it was just a pain in the ass to try and get into. Like every time I wanted one little thing, I would have to just like sprawl it out all over my bag or my bed or whatever, and it just was not handy. Whereas this is just like I can just reach in there, grab what I need. There's not that much organization, which I don't know, I don't mind it. I kind of like that at the moment in my travel journey. But yeah, this is my new toiletry bag. Alright, next thing I have is the coveted Peak Design Packing Cube in large. I don't really know anyone who advertises or uses the medium, but I'm sure it's like just as great. There's dozens of reviews and information and all that stuff online about this guy, but I bit the bullet and bought it, mainly for this back compartment, which you can use to put your dirty laundry in. So you like take clothes out of the main compartment, wear them, and then put the dirty ones in the back there. So they're all separate, but it's kind of like all together. You don't have to have like a separate laundry bag, which is what I used pretty much on both of my big trips that I've taken. But yeah, just thought I'd show you quickly. Opens like that. It's a nice square. It's expandable and then compressible. And yeah, perfect size. You can always take another smaller packing cube if you want for some like, I don't know, t-shirts or underwear or whatever. But yeah, that is that. I do have some packing cubes that I was using from Kathmandu. They are great, and you know, shop local, support local, but I just really like the back compartment on that one, and the compressibility is obviously very convenient. Next, I've got these two backpacks from Kathmandu. Let's start off with this big one. I won't go into too much detail because I actually have a full review that I have done on this bag, but it is basically a 38 litre travel backpack. Got, you know, all the features, opens up suitcase style, has some nice pockets, good straps, harness system, etc. So if you want to see the review of this bag, keep an eye out. It's called the Kathmandu Light Haul 38. Unfortunately, it's actually like kind of sold out slash on clearance. So you might not be able to get your hands on this. They do have a new version, which I don't actually like that much, but I'm going to put the review up anyway, just in case it is available where you are. I'll try to put some links below, like to Amazon or whatever I can find. So that is that. And then this other one is a little packable backpack. Pretty simple. Just got some nice mesh lined, breathable straps in there, little carry handle, then the main compartment opens up like this, and then the front compartment, the front pocket is like this. I mean, pretty basic, nothing too fancy, but just great for a little day pack if you need it while you're on your trip. And the front pocket also, like, you can pack the whole backpack into the front pocket if you want. I probably wouldn't do that unless I was kind of carrying it in like a tote situation, because then it's a bit easier to pack. But I would just flatten it out like this, pretty much, and then just lay it on the bottom of my like bag or backpack, and then just take it out as I need it. So that is that. Yeah, those are just like a few little bits that I've got, kind of my new essentials for when I get traveling again, but don't know when that will be. A quick update on New Zealand. I am in New Zealand currently, which is where I'm from, and my home is here, if you didn't know. We have currently been in like a second lockdown for 2 weeks, almost 2 weeks, because we had a small community outbreak. Today is actually when we're supposed to be hearing if we're going down alert levels and kind of coming out of lockdown, but anyway, it's all up in the air. Still not loving it, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. Yeah, let me know any fun lockdown stories, or if you're living, thriving, not thriving, just what you're doing to get by right now. Any plans you have, or all that good stuff. Let's chat down below. I know that I don't get that many comments down below at the moment, but I would love to hear from you. Please subscribe. As always, could be part of this great little community. Here we've got, I'm so close to 1,000 subscribers. Give this video a big thumbs up if you just liked to see me back. That's kind of all that really happened in this video. And thumbs up if you're excited for new videos, because I am like so in the zone. I have got so many ideas, so I don't want to get anyone's hopes up, but stay tuned. Anyways, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! This is very hot. I literally just made this, and I cannot drink hot coffee. Okay. Like burning myself and cramping my hand, and I'm probably gonna burn myself. Maybe I shouldn't. I thought I want to try drink this.